Okay, so the process for posting a new contract for a customer that wants to rent anywhere between 2 and 9 months, it's going to be the same thing as doing everything for a 1-month rental, just a few changes. So if you go to modules, contract, enter new contract, hit Connecticut like you did last time, find your customer, just go past any pop-up notes, make sure you have the right store location, and type in the serial number and tab it down until it drops. Tab 2 for details. You're going to select the same contract template that you did for the 1 month. So since it's an Alto Sax, you're going to choose this one, the Group B. Hit select. Type in the student's name. Don't worry about district. Type in the school. Okay. Right now, by default, everything here, all these numbers are set up for a 1-month rental. If you want to do a 2-month, you're going to take this initial payment amount, 28, and multiply it by 2 for 2 months. So change that to 56. And then for months here, you're going to change that to 2. And just hit like tab. And you'll see that automatically changes the first pay due date to exactly 2 months from today. Okay? Now you're also going to want to change or multiply the maintenance received amount by however many months you're going to rent this out for. So 7 times 2, 14, hit tab, and now you can hit calculate. And then hit save. And you'll see your amount, $74.45, which if you have a calculator handy, you can verify this amount. Just do the normal monthly payment for an Alto Sax, which is $35. Multiply that by 2 and you get 70. And then multiply that by 1.0635 to account for tax. And you should end up with this number here, $74.45. And then just go through the same payment processing that you did for the 1-month rental, and you would be all set. Okay, so if you wanted to rent for more than 2 months, let's say 3 months, you would take this initial payment amount, which by default for 1 month is going to be $28, and multiply that by 3 for 3 months, which would be $84. Hit tab to bring you over to the months box, change that to 3. Once you hit tab, you'll see this automatically change first payment due date to be exactly 3 months from today. And then tab over to this maintenance received box here. By default for 1 month it's going to be 7, so just multiply that by 3 like you did for the initial payment. And then hit calculate. Hit save. And you'll see $111.66. So if you take the standard monthly payment for an Alto Sax, it's $35 per month. Since you're renting it for 3 months, 35 times 3 will be 105. And then multiply that by 1.0635 to account for the sales tax, and you will get this number here. So just follow that process for any variation of rental period. If a person is doing 5 months, then just change this to what it was at first to 5 times that. Same with the maintenance received. And make sure you have the correct value for months here, depending on how long the customer wants to rent for.